In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove student from Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to unenroll a student from a specific course in your Teachable school, quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your Teachable school with an admin or school owner account. Only users with the right permissions can change enrollments, so if you don't see the options I mention, verify that you're using the correct account and the correct school if you manage more than one. Once you're in the admin area, look to the left sidebar and open the Users section, then choose Students. This is your complete list of student accounts. If your school is large, use the search bar at the top to find the student by name or email. Double-check that you've selected the correct person before making any changes. Click the student you want to remove from a course. That opens their profile page. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Choose the Enrollments tab. This tab shows every course the student currently has access to, so it's the perfect place to manage access cleanly and in one view. Find the specific course you want to remove them from. On that course row, look for the More Actions icon, often displayed as 3 vertical dots. Click that icon, then select Unenroll. Teachable will prompt you with a confirmation pop-up. Read it to make sure you're unenrolling the right student from the right course, then confirm. After you confirm, the student's access to that course is removed immediately. Their account remains in your school. You're not deleting the student, just removing their enrollment from that one course. If you ever need to restore access, you can re-enroll them later from the same profile area. If the student is enrolled in multiple courses, repeat the same process for each additional course you want to remove, one at a time. A few practical notes. Unenrolling doesn't automatically issue refunds or change billing settings. It strictly controls course access. If you coordinate with a support team, it's a good idea to let them know the change has been made. Also, if you don't see the course listed under enrollments, the student may not be enrolled in it, so there's nothing to remove. Finally, if you have teammates helping with administration, they'll need permissions to view users and manage enrollments to follow these steps. That's all there is to it. Log in as an admin, go to Users and Students, open the student profile, use the Enrollments tab, click the 3 dots next to the course, and confirm Unenroll. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your course access tidy and up to date.